Hi, in today's video I want to show you how to add location tags to your photos. There are two requirements to attach GPS location to your photos metadata. First is you need to make sure that the GPS is on, and second is you need to go to your camera setting, and when you scroll down you need to click location tags. So let's see what happens if I switch off GPS and then open camera. It shows that location is turned off. So again you need to switch on the GPS, and then you'll be able to store the GPS location of your photos in the meta information.